Happy morning children. Welcome back to the mathematics class of 3rd standard ICSE. Today we are going to start a new unit, unit 3 subtraction. Since we completed last week second unit addition. Now unit 3 subtraction in your book page number 36. In that lesson we are going to see about a subtraction of numbers. Subtraction of a 3-digit number, 4-digit number. First thing we are going to see about the subtraction fact. Yes, we saw that addition fact in the second unit. I think you people can remember that. Now we are going to see about the subtraction fact. We have three factors, that for addition also and for the subtraction also. Addition, when we are adding one number with any number, we will get the successor number. Similarly, we are going to get the subtraction fact. When we are subtract 1 with any number. For example, 45 minus 1. We are going to get the predecessor. So, 44 exactly. Next coming to the, when we are subtracting the same number. Second fact, same number. 45 minus 45, we are going to get a 0. When we are subtracting two numbers, same number, we are going to get a 0. Next, when we are subtracting the same number, that only we said. Coming to the exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1, we are going to do the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Next thing is exercise 3.2. We are going to see about a 4-digit number subtraction. That's all children. We will go to the exercise section now.
Children, we can start the unit 3 subtraction with the warm-up section now. Warm-up section, page number 36, we have, this is my family. Here, the photograph of a grandpa, grandma, papa, mama and me. It is given. So, me column is empty now. You can paste your photo there and you can write the age also. So, grandpa is 62 years old, grandma is 55 and papa is 32. And mama is dash. So we are going to find it out. The first question is, who is older? Obviously 62 years is the older one, that is grandpa. You can put a tick. Second one, the difference of age of a grandma and papa. So papa is 32 years, grandma is 55 years. You can do this fraction, we'll get a 30 years. Third one is, mama is 2 years younger than papa. So papa have 32 years old. So mama is 30 years old. So you can fill the column there also. Next, grandma is 55 years old. She will be 60 years old in dash years. So after 5 years only she is going to get a 60 years. So in the fill in you can fill with the 5. Next one is, it is for you. I am dash years old. Papa is dash years older than me. That you have to write your age and compare with your father. Next one is, mama has rupees 675. She wants to buy a shawl which costs rupees 385 for grandma and a kurta which will cost 300 for a grandpa. Does she have enough money to buy the shawl and the kurta? So you can add the cost of a shawl and the kurta. It is around 685, but she has 675. So she cannot able to buy. You can write no. Next, if no, how much more money does she need? It is around 10 rupees. That's it. We completed the warm-up section. Next topic will be subtraction facts. We are going to remember the subtraction fact and we are going to do the checkpoint sums. First one is, when we subtract any number with a 0, we are going to get a same number. Next fact is, any number when we are subtracting 1, we are going to get the predecessor. Third one is, when we are subtracting the same number, we are going to get a 0. So 3 things have it in your mind children. Then we will do the checkpoint fill up. First one is 42 minus 42 is equal to 0 since the same number. Second one is 32 minus 31 is equal to 1 because the predecessor number when we are subtracting will get. Yes, third one is dash minus 28 is equal to 1. So when the answer is 1, we should subtract the successor number. Okay, 28 minus 29 minus 28. Fourth one is 65 minus dash is equal to 0. When we are subtracting the same number, we'll get a 0. So 65 will be the answer. Fifth one, 47 minus dash is equal to 1. So when we are getting answer 1, we should subtract the predecessor. Next is sixth one, 16 minus 0 is equal to 16 because when we are subtracting 0 with any number, we are going to get the same. Seventh one, 52 minus 1 is equal to 51. Next, eighth one, 91 minus dash is equal to 91. The same number will be the answer, means it should subtract with a 0. Next, ninth one, 77 minus 1. We are going to get the predecessor 76. You can write it in the book itself, children. Next one, in page number 38, we have a checkpoint. That checkpoint we have a missing numbers. There is a clue for you, children. The first number is missing. That is the biggest number. The bigger number minus the smaller number, we are going to get a difference. If the bigger number is missing, we can add the smaller number and the difference together. Here dash minus 2 is equal to 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 will be the fill-in one. Next, second question, dash minus 15 is equal to 5. The bigger number is missing, so we need to add the smaller number and the difference. 15 plus 5 is 20. Next one is 53 minus 11 is equal to 42. Since when we are adding 11 plus 42 is equal to 53. Next, fourth one also bigger number is missing. So 10 plus 20, 30. Fifth one also bigger number is missing. For that, 35 plus 14 is equal to 49. Sixth one, the smaller number is missing. So we need to do the subtraction. 61 minus 21 is 40. Next one, seventh one also smaller number is missing. So we need to do the subtraction, the bigger number with the difference. 27 minus 20, 7. 31 minus 7, 24. 99 minus 4, 95. That's it, children. Next checkpoint in the same page number 38, we have a two Roman letters. A, subtract by counting forward. B, subtract by expanding the smaller number. Let me explain with the sums. Checkpoint first one is subtract by counting forward. So first one is we have to write the number line as I shown here. Start from a 39 is the smallest number. So we are going to subtract 65 minus 39. 39 to round off number. Next round off number is a 40, no? So we skip it to 40. So we did only 1. So 1 is the number. You put it on the top and put a circle. Then 40 to 60. So 40 to 60 we are skipping to 20 numbers. So you put it in the top and put the circle. Next is 60 to 65. It is 5 number. So totally 1 plus 20 plus 5. 26. So it is the 26. 65 minus 39 we get a 26. B1, subtract by expanding the smaller number. 72 minus 49 is equal to dash. So here 72 is the bigger number, 49 is the smaller number. We are going to split the smaller number 49 to 40 plus 9. So next we can do the subtraction. 72 minus 40 is equal to 32. Next to take the 32 here down. 32 minus one more 9 is there, no, that you can subtract. 32 minus 9 is equal to 23. Listen children, the smaller number we have to split it into 2, and the whole number what you get is 40. First thing is you have to subtract with the 40, then one answer you will get. That same answer you have to take it once again, then do the subtraction of next step. We'll get the answer 23. 72 minus 49 is equal to 23. Now coming to the exercise 3.1 in page number 43. So find the difference. First A1 is find the difference. We are going to subtract in the book itself. They given the space, we have to write in the book. First sum is 468 minus 215. Start do the subtraction from ones place number onwards. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. 4 minus 2, it is 2. The answer 253. Second sum, 987 minus 381. Subtract, start from ones place number onwards. 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. Third sum, 705 minus 204. 5 minus 4, it is 1. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Next, fourth one. 780 minus 460. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. The answer is 320. Fifth sum, 578 minus 75. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 7, 0. Then 5 minus, no number in the hundreds place, you write it as it is 5. So similarly, you can do the remaining sums also in the book. Children, we can write the exercise 3.1b Roman letter in the CW. Write the exercise with the page number, and B1 is write in column and find the difference. First sum is 928 minus 217. Write the place value chart and arrange the number according to the place value. Start do the subtraction from ones place number. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. The answer is 711. Second sum is 525 minus 407. Write the place value, ones, tens, 100. Arrange the number accordingly. Do the subtraction from ones place number. 5 minus 7 is not possible. Get the borrow from tens place number. Tens place number here, 2 is there. So 2 minus 1. We bought a 1 number, no? So it is become 1, and the ones place number become 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 4, it is 1. The answer is 118. 11th sum, 609 minus 528. Write the number according to the place value, ones, tens, 100. 609 minus 528, and start do the subtraction from ones place number. 9 minus 8, it is 1. Next one is 0 minus 2. It's not possible. Get the borrow from hundreds place number. We have 6 is there. 6 minus 1, it is 4. So the tens place number become 10. 10 minus 2, it is 8. Next, hundreds place number. 5 minus 5 is 0. The answer will be 81. Next one is 12th sum, 830 minus 528. Write the place value chart and arrange the number. Start do the subtraction from ones place. Here 0 minus 8 is not possible. Get the borrow from tens place number. So the ones place become now 10. 10 minus 8, 2. The tens place number now it is 2. 2 minus 3 is not possible. Get the borrow from a hundreds place. So the tens place number become 12. 12 minus 3 it is 9. Next hundreds place number 7 minus 5 it is 2. The answer is 292. C1 is subtract for 732 from 846. Always the subtraction is going to done by bigger number with a smaller number. So you have to take the 846 first and subtract it with the 732. Write the number ones, tens, 100 according to the place value and start do the subtraction from ones place. 6 minus 2 it is 4. Tens place 4 minus 3 it is 1. Hundreds place 8 minus 7 it is 1. So the answer is 114. So next sum is 435 from 906. Write the place value chart. Arrange the number 906 minus 435. Start with the subtraction from ones place. 6 minus 5 it is 1. Next tens place 0 minus 3 is not possible. Get the borrow from hundreds place. So the 0 become 10. 10 minus 3 7. Hundreds place 8. 8 minus 4 4. So the answer is 471. Fifth sum 250 from 900. Write the number according to the place value. Ones, tens, 100. 900 minus 250. Start with the subtraction from ones place. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 5 not possible. Get the borrow from hundreds place. So the tens place become 10. 10 minus 5 5. Next hundreds place 8 minus 2 it is 6. Next is sixth sum 191 from 800. Write the number 800 minus 191. Start from ones place number 0 minus 1 not possible. Get the borrow from tens place. Here tens place also 0. So we need to get from a 100. 100 we have 800. So it is become 700 and the tens place number become 10 now. From that 10 we took 1 for the ones place. So it is become 9. The tens place number become 10. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 1 1. Tens place 9 minus 9 0. Hundreds place 7 minus 1 6. The answer is 609. That's it children. Today's class over now. We will see the next exercise in the next section. Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe.